Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and my favorite type of home decor is one that is cute, but also functional and can be used in a variety of settings. These wood crates from EMAX Home have been so helpful around the house, and they add the perfect touch of a farmhouse decor as well. Now these crates are nesting crates, so they do fit inside of one another, but what I love about them is their different sizes. The sizes range in these from the largest one being about 13.5 inches to the smallest being just under 10 inches. I love the versatility in these crates. I can use them in the kitchen, I can use them in my entryway as an additional piece of decor, I can even use them in the bathroom. The largest crate I love to use as a book storage for my son's books, and what I love is it's not an eyesore. I can leave them right out because the crate is so beautiful, it just adds decor to the room. This set here is the whitewash, and I love the lightly distressed looks, especially around the edges and the corner. When you feel these crates, you can feel that they're really made of a high quality material and they're extremely durable. I love the spacing between the slats and as well as a slight curve to the handle. These can either be configured together or separately, which I love about them. This allows me to move them around the house and use them in whatever capacity we need at the time. I am so happy that I received these awesome wood crates from EMAX Home. Not only are they a beautiful touch to my decor, but they're extremely durable and well made. And that's my point of view.